Janelle, this is toDIYfor, and this week I was inspired by a piece of jewelry that I saw my sister wear during our family vacation. And basically, I guess it's kind of like a sandal, but doesn't have any toes. Not toes, doesn't have a sole. So it looks like a sandal on the top, but it really is just kind of like a piece of jewelry. I think she called it toe jewelry, but I don't know if that's actually the name for it. I think it'd be really great to just wear to the beach, or also if you're having like a beach wedding, it'd be beautiful to wear because you're just gonna wanna be footless anyways. But I'm gonna show you how to put these together. It's really easy. Mine is less glam than my sister's, but you could really make this quite glamorous with beading, just depending on the beads that you get, to make it more suitable for, say, a wedding if you wanted to. So all you really need is beads and a cord, and you're gonna need some larger beads as well. I would suggest not using small beads. I started doing that and it was going to take forever, so I restarted my piece with these larger glass beads. And just a quick tip, if you have a needle that the beads can slide through easily, this is gonna make this process so much quicker and easier. So I'm just sliding on my beads in whatever pattern that I like, and I forgot to mention you need to put a large bead, as you can see I've done there, on the end of it. So continue beading until you get to a spot that's gonna lead you close to where your toe is going to rest. You're gonna have to measure this on your own foot, and that's where you're going to use the larger connector beads, as I like to call them. You can proceed to do your pattern and do enough beading that is going to fit around your toe comfortably. Again, you'll have to measure this for yourself. So I'm calling these beads the connector beads because you're going to take your needle and shove it back through those beads that we've already strung through, and that's going to kind of connect our piece and allow us to have the toe wrap portion, I guess I'm calling it. Then you basically just continue up the other side with your pattern, and when you get towards the end, again, continuing to measure this on your foot. Everyone has different size feet, so what you're going to need to do is, again, kind of have that idea with the connector beads. Do a couple of additional beads so that you can wrap back like I'm doing here. And this is actually going to be how you can fasten this around your ankle. So we've created this small little tiny hole, and it's going to be perfect for that opposite end, the thicker large bead, to fit through. And you want to make sure that that's going to be just tight enough, like you don't want it to be too big, you want it to hold really well. And then you can knot it off and then just trim off the excess, and that's pretty much your piece. Your toe goes in that little hole and the other part opens up and just wraps around your ankle, and make two of them. So let me know what you thought of that, and of course if you're interested in other jewelry tutorials, I've got a ton of them up on my channel. Just did a bracelet anklet tutorial not too long ago. I will leave those all linked down below for you, and if you have any suggestions for upcoming videos, DIYs that you'd like to see me do, please let me know. Leave that in the comments below and I'll see what I can do. Don't forget to subscribe. I will be back next Wednesday with a new DIY. Cheers!